Are you guys aware that we are spending more and more time on screen? With the popularity of electronic products in recent years, our eyes are exposed to the blue light almost all the time, which includes TVs, computers, cell phones, and all other electronic products containing screens. Extended exposure to high-energy blue light can have a significant impact on human well-being, such as headache, eye strain, dry eyes, and even macular degeneration. Unlike other forms of light, the eyes cannot effectively filter the blue light. Research shows that blue light glasses can significantly help reduce various eye discomfort by blocking excessive exposure to blue light. How to choose the right blue light glasses? Not all blue light blocking glasses are created equal. The percentage amount of blue light blocking is the first thing to take note of. Aim for a pair blocking over 99% of blue light is the best. The glasses holding in my hand are Blackview's blue light blocking glasses, which have been certified by TUV Rhineland Low Blue Light Certified, with up to 99.44% anti-blue light rate, based on retaining beneficial blue light and blocking the harmful blue light. Why do Blackview BGA02 glasses have a deep yellow tinge? Optically, the principle of complementary colors. If blue light is removed from the white light normally seen, it will appear yellow. Thus, the darker the yellow lenses are, the more efficiently they block blue light. Not only that, Blackview stops intelligent photochromic lenses, which can automatically deepen the color according to the strengthening of UV rays in the sun, equivalent to a pair of sunglasses that can protect against UV rays and be used indoors and outdoors, without worrying about color of the lenses at all. In short, BGA02 glasses not only have the function of anti-blue light, but also a pair of the sunglasses that can be allowed to use outdoor. Get a pair now and protect your eyes.